You're gonna love these books even if you do not like reading. Hey guys, it's Ellie, and on this channel I talk a lot about reading, improving your lives, and overall becoming a better person every day. And I do that one video at a time. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you're interested. And without any further ado, let's get into today's video where I'm gonna be discussing some amazing books that you should read even if you hate reading. These books are must reads. You should definitely give them a go once in your lifetime. They are entertaining. They are from various categories: fiction, non-fiction, etc. And all of them are going to add to your life in some sort of way. So I hope that you're gonna enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it. The first recommendation, or the first two recommendations, would be these two beautiful books behind me. So this book is called You, and this is the sequel to You. This is called Hidden Bodies. Both are written by Caroline Kepnes, and it's a psychological thriller. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are aware of You already because A, I have talked a lot about it on my channel, and B, this is such a famous Netflix series that it's really unlikely that you've never come across it. I feel like I had really high expectations from the first part of You, which were not met, and I felt like the second part is only going to be worse, which is Hidden Bodies. But what happens in this book series is that You is actually very good. To be honest, the only reason I probably didn't like it that much was because I have already read a lot of psychological thrillers, which means that I am aware of a lot of different types of tropes, and I don't find a lot of things shocking. So there was nothing like extremely shocking here. However, I had very little expectations from the second book, of course, after the disappointment in the first one. But gosh, oh my god, this second book just blew my mind. I absolutely loved it. I did predict it though to some extent, because thanks to my history of reading a lot of psychological thrillers, I get spoilers even without getting any. But still, I really enjoyed this. The plot twist in this is amazing. Reading Caroline Kepnes' books is going to allow you to explore those parts of your mind which you can't really express publicly, or you can't really do publicly, because it's considered a crime according to the government. But yeah, so maybe you should just explore it by reading these two books, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it. I highly recommend reading both of these books. Like, very few, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I hardly recommend any books that are like series books, but I would definitely recommend this particular one. Let me keep this aside quickly. All right, they look so perfect. The next book that I'll recommend for anyone who hates reading is Waiting for Bojangles. I read this book very recently, and it's such a strange book. I've never read something so weird, so well written. It's like a poetic book. At the same time, it's not a poem, it's like a novel. It's really hard to express what exactly the novel is, but it explores a family which is kind of weird. Okay, weird in the sense of the word that they are not conforming to the ideals of the society. They are not the typical family that you expect to see. They are all fun, dance, joy, but there are also struggles that this family goes through, and this book is about that. And the way they deal with the struggles is very unique, and I guess that's what makes this book so enjoyable. So I highly recommend this book, Waiting for Bojangles. There's this beautiful song called Mr. Bojangles by, I would say the best version I felt was Nina Simone's. And this book's title is kind of borrowed from there. So I highly recommend you guys actually listen to the song as well. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. It's an old song, and you guys know I'm an old school girl. I love listening to old songs. The next book that I'll recommend is called I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. The title itself is very self-explanatory. It's kind of a book about personal finance and making money and how you can be better with your finances. His book is like his signature creation. Okay, like he's known for this book worldwide, and I highly recommend you guys to read this book. You will understand why this book is so popular once you read it, and I'm pretty sure you're not gonna be disappointed. The next book that I'll recommend is by Darius Forex, and this one is called Thinking Straight. If you're not aware of who Darius Forex is, he has this beautiful blog. I love his blog. I actually came across him only via his blog. If you read his book, you will obviously be better organized. You'll have more clarity in your life. You'll have, I guess, a little bit of development in your personality as well, because Darius Forex books are very well written. Not to mention that if you don't want to buy this book, if you don't have the funds to buy it, even then I would highly recommend you guys to follow Darius Forux's blog. It is absolutely free for everyone and it is amazing. I swear to God, there are not a lot of blogs that I follow, and if I'm saying that Darius Forux has a good blog, he probably does. Next book that I'll recommend will be books of the Percy Jackson series. Now, I personally did not like this books that much, to be honest. However, a huge chunk of my subscriber base loves this book. So I would highly recommend this book for you, because this channel is not just about me, it's also about my subscribers and they mean a lot to me. So make sure that you are reading this book, and this is like a totally subscriber to subscriber recommendation that I really wanted to feature on this video. Before we move on with today's video, let me give a huge shout out to Rishabh for being such a loyal subscriber of mine. And if you want a shout out in my next video, make sure that you take a screenshot of today's video and tag me on my Instagram story. The next book that I'll recommend is The Moon, My School and Other Big Bogus Things. This book is written by Sachin Pant, who has kindly sponsored today's video, so a huge shout out to him. Now, in this book, you kind of find out about this guy called Prakash, who is in his school years, and he's kind of involved in a lot of supernatural stuff. Okay, so if you're interested in supernatural things, you are going to like this book. This guy Prakash, he's levitating and he witnesses a murder, and the murder is of his favorite English teacher by a maths teacher, and I can understand why a maths teacher would want to kill an English teacher. So totally not relevant to my experience, but the thing is, this book is it's kind of interesting, the plot, to be honest. Like so this guy has witnessed this murder, and of course he has to do something about it. Okay, it could have been like only a detective story or only a supernatural story, but it's kind of like both. And I feel like the best thing about this book is that it explores like a very new kind of topic. It's not new, it's not the same old thing repeated again and again. I think the only point where this book could have better work is towards the second half of it. I think that the formatting could have been better. There are a lot of sentences which could have just been condensed or written in a better manner. There are many long sentences, many long sentences, and I personally feel that the shorter a sentence, the more easy it is for a reader to read a particular book. So that's totally my personal opinion. But if you are interested in this kind of books, supernatural books, detective kind of books, mystery kind of books, I'm pretty sure that you are going to enjoy this book. So yeah, make sure you give it a go. The link to buy this book and all of the books that I'm recommending in today's video is gonna be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. The next book that I'll recommend is called Start With Why. Start With Why is a book by Simon Sinek, and I highly recommend you guys to watch the TEDx version of this book. So it's like a 20-minute TEDx talk or TED talk on why you should know your why. That is the reason you do something, and how the biggest companies use their why to create a vision that will make people attracted to them, make people buy from them, and overall build a greater impact in the world. Okay, and it's such an inspiring book, guys. You have to read this to understand how you can change your why, your purpose, into something fruitful. Okay, and it has helped me personally a lot. My why, like what I do is so in this book, Simon Sinek talks about the golden circle, and the golden circle is basically why, how, what. So basically the first thing that anyone needs to know when they are like selling something or doing a service is what they do. Okay, you need to know what you're doing. For me, for example, mine would be something like I help people make more income, be it through marketing, be it through mentoring them to become a successful freelancer. That is my what I do. Okay, second, how I do that by personalized sessions. I do that by higher handling marketing for brands, and that is basically my how I do that. Okay, what I do, how I do. But then why do I do that? Okay. I want to work with people, so that automatically means that I want to work with people like coaches or course creators who are creating or building these things that are changing people's lives, impacting people's lives. And in my own mentorship program, I have helped over 50 people generate income, which means that I have been able to change a few lives so far, and I've just started last month. So I'm very excited with what I'm doing, and my why is that I am giving and my why is that I'm changing lives, which is so important to me, and it's actually very scary to me too that I'm actually doing this now. But yeah, I'm super excited, and I feel like figuring out your why is going to get you so far in life, so make sure you do that. Now, the next book that I'll recommend if you want to read a very good book is New Kid. It's a graphic novel. I read it very recently once again, and it was very entertaining to read it. Okay, it was very simple, to be honest, but still I would recommend you guys to read it if in case you are interested in the graphic novel genre. And even if you hate books, I feel like graphic novels often grab your interest, so maybe you can give it a try. So yeah guys, that'll be all for today's video. I always chat in the first hour of uploading, and actually for the first 24 hours of uploading, so make sure that you leave a comment definitely if you are an early bird. Even if not, I do try to reply to as many people as possible, so do leave a comment below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I will be back with another video next week. Till then, bye bye.